Mohammed Kamal. Today, like you can see it right here, I'm doing the hackathon, which is 2020. This is not the first episode, but I'm just gonna show you. I have did this connected health portal with the connected health portal, which is basically helping the health system connecting the patient with the doctor and the physician. So I'm gonna show you that how I did, but today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how am I gonna brand, which is the branding the chat agent, the virtual agent. So the first thing here I've created a new live agent profile, and from there I'm also now creating a chat branding for the virtual agent. So, and then when its virtual agent can pop up, it will have its own branding with the connected health portal. Sorry guys. So I give it a name here. It is required, and then the chat header, give it connected health agent. So previously say now platform, and I give it that name. And the next thing, the chat header background, that's the color I have, but I can't think before that. Let me go ahead and save this one. I like to save things ahead of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and click this, see if we can. Okay, so I have to bring hexa color. So what I would do, I'm gonna come here, hexa color. Alright, with the hexa color, something that a little bit closer to my connected health profile, company profile, would be somewhere with this. That's somewhere around that. That will be okay. I'm gonna copy that hexa. That's how you can find hexa color. If you have any difficulty with that, you just go ahead and Google hexa color, and if you put the hexa color, it will give you what the color, and you can move around the color picker, and then you can pick up your color. If you want the RGB, you can take the RGB at the bottom. Alright, awesome. Now what I would do, I'm gonna come here with the connected health agent. That's the color I need for my company, which is connected health. Okay, I have that. The next thing is the chat background. Alright, so I have to give that color as well with a little bit different color. Chat background, usually I'll give it FFF. Okay, that's fine. The menu, the same color. And in user bubble background, the user bubble background, this one is, so the bubble means like the button. Okay, that one is a little bit darker, so I'll keep that one as it is as well. The main important thing for me, for my company, is that one. Then the chat header logo, that's the most important part. I'm gonna go ahead and get my, it's in the document. Guys, don't look what I have here. I have a lot of mess. Okay, this is the one, the connected health agent. I got that. Let's see if it works. Awesome. That's the chat header logo. So the connected health chat header logo will come like that. Yeah, so you can further configure this one, but for me, that's all what I have. Like I said, I created new from here, the branding. So the most important, you click new, and then that's the one I created, connected health. The default one is right here. Default branding was that one. Alright, so that's what I have. I can further edit this one, or I can further customize it with my like support, contact information, all that cool stuff. I will also add the collaboration branding, but for the time being, I'll keep that as it is. Now I'll go ahead and take you portals. And what I did is this one, connected health. And if I try, woohoo, this is the conversation. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I built for the hackathon 2020. So over here I have a demonstrator button. That's the home button. Knowledge, health insight. The health insight, what it do is based on the patient information. It can be like the lab information, the lab result, whatever information the patient has, it will give health insights for the patient as well as for the doctor. So what I would do, it will give an information for the patient. Let's say he's smoking, different risks. So based on those different risks, it will predict your health status, like the prediction, the likelihood of getting a high blood pressure, the likelihood of getting um, diabetes. All that information can get using the health insight. The knowledge, that's the knowledge where you can get, the doctors will get their own, based on their role, they will get knowledge materials from there, and the patients will get the same thing, their own knowledge materials based on their health demand. Okay, here is the registry. That's where the patient is gonna register when they come first. That's where whenever I have the prescription, they can see their prescription. Let's see if I can go ahead and move this one, show me everything. To this live agent. Okay, let's see again, refresh it. Yep, hopefully it's gone now. So that's appointments. If you have an appointment, you can do so. You can check your appointment, or if you want to have an appointment, you can check here. Doctors also they can see their patient's appointment if they have any. And when it comes to here, that's the laboratory. Any laboratory that the patient have or the doctor want to order for the patients, it will show up here. So it's gonna be this is role based. So there are three different roles. One, the laboratory, the one who put on the laboratory information. There's a doctor, and as well as the patient. The patient just gonna see the result. That's what I say, the health insight. So you can get your health insight based on your overall. It includes the laboratory information and your different kind of information that you put on. As the knowledge information that we have, this is whatever request you have, and if you have any approvals, you can see them here. When it comes to here, the community activities, let's say the patients, this is the patient, let's say if this patient has a high blood sugar and he's likely to have a diabetes, so you can connect that patient with another patient who is willing enough to be connected with another patient with a similar problem, so they can have that kind of discussions, communications. So the patient will have, or they will have an option to give their information, like public information. They can give as a public for another patient to access and communicate. All right, so that's the live agent. If they have, let's say, they can, when they come here, it just greets them, good afternoon, Mohammed Kamal. That's me, I logged in right there. Welcome to the Connected Health Portal. Health flourish when we all connect. We are here to connect. So you can search whatever knowledge you are looking for or whatever information you have. And then next thing is, like, if you don't get any information or anything that you are looking for, you can go ahead and use the virtual agent. So the chat option, you can click the chat option. The chat is gonna come here. Earlier, yeah, I tried this one, so that's why it say here Muhammad Kamal has left the support session. Thank you. So now if I want to start saying here, I need help, okay, this is a general question. I just saying I need help, but the virtual agent saying, I'm sorry, but I don't understand your request. Please try entering the request information. What's your issue or request, or take a look at what I can help you. Now if I click show me everything, it can show me everything that the virtual agent can help me. But if I just wanna connect with the live agent, I can say I want to talk to an agent. Okay, with that, the virtual agent will bring me an option. Okay, I want to be sure I got this right. What item below best describe your want? Live agent support, provide virtual agent feedback. I want something else. So it depends on your interest. If you want to talk to live agent, you can select that one. So that's what I need, live agent. Okay, live agent. Now please wait, stand by. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in here in different uh, browser. Okay, from my other computer here, I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'll show you guys how that branding works. So I'm going to log in as someone else here, and you can see that. I'm going to show you. All right. Let's go ahead and see here. Yeah, so with this, now the virtual agent is trying to connect, okay? It is trying to connect the one who is requesting here with the live agent. So still routing you to the live agent. That's what information you will have, okay? Until it get the live agent. Alright, so still trying, general setting. I'm having some issue here logging with a different computer. Let's see, try again in a different way. Let's see. Let's see it the other way. If it can help me this way. Let's see. Okay. I'm still trying to connect with as a live agent from backend, okay? So bear with me. Bear with me. Alright. Yeah, still trying to connect. Still trying to connect. Alright, so here. Let's see that. Let's see that. Still trying to connect, still finding agents, because I'm not be able to log in here for some reason, but I will keep try this. Keep try this. Yeah, so that's what I am trying to do, which is connecting the virtual agent, the one I'm logged in here, routing it to the live agent. So that's how it will work, but for some reason I couldn't be able to log in here. I have some issue probably with the password that I have, but definitely I will come up and show you guys how that works. This is really important, especially these days. This is because with these days, we have a lot of remote work. A lot of remote work. You have a lot of people trying to access the agent. So you cannot have a live agent taking care of all the small stuff. Okay? But with these, you can easily take care. Like if someone is, some people, not a lot of people, just few people need to connect with the real agents, okay? But most of the things you can take care here. Like if you need a password assistance, or if you need a document, or a request, or a laboratory, or a referral, you can take care all of that through this portal. Yeah, through this portal. So again, my name is Mohammed Kamal. This is just the glimpse of the app that I created for the hackathon, the ServiceNow Hackathon 2020. That's what I have for today. I'm gonna show you the most important part of the detail. Having yet showed you the detail here, what the registry looks like, the prescription, the appointment, and most importantly, the health inside. So hopefully we'll come back all those cool features in the future. My name is Mohammed Kamal. Please go ahead and subscribe to the Global Mindset University. And also, I also have a, a portal called ServiceNowStart.com, so you can have that portal or the blog. I sometimes write about different things about virtual agent. I have recently covered two topics or two parts in virtual agent. You can go ahead and look at that. It's really interesting if you wanna really interested to have micro certification on the virtual agent. That will definitely help you. I am Mohammed Kamal. Until we see each other, have a great day, guys. Bye.